You're running a business, or maybe you're a freelancer juggling a million receipts. You're drowning in paperwork, expenses are piling up, and you're wondering, is there a better way? You've probably heard of Expensify, right? The app that promises to streamline all that chaos. But here's the question that really gets me thinking. How much fuel has powered this rocket ship? How much funding has Expensify actually secured to become the behemoth it is today? We all know Expensify as the go-to platform for expense management. From snapping photos of receipts to automating approvals, it's become a staple for businesses large and small. But behind that sleek interface and those powerful features lies a story of significant investment. A story that tells us a lot about the company's trajectory and its potential. Let's rewind a bit. Expensify, founded by David Barrett, aimed to solve a very specific problem, the pain of managing expenses. It wasn't just about digitizing receipts, it was about creating a seamless, automated workflow. And to achieve that, they needed capital. Significant capital. Now, pinning down the exact, real-time total funding of a company that has been around for as long as Expensify requires a bit of digging. And here's what we know. Expensify has gone through several funding rounds, each marking a significant milestone in its growth. Early on, they secured seed funding to get the ball rolling, and then progressed to Series A, B, and beyond. These rounds weren't just about cash injections, they were about validation. They signaled that investors saw the potential in Expensify's vision. And that vision was clear, to eliminate the tediousness of expense reporting. The figures vary slightly depending on the sources, but it's safe to say that Expensify has raised tens of millions of dollars over the years. These investments fueled their expansion, allowing them to enhance their platform, scale their operations, and acquire new users. It's important to understand that this funding wasn't just about building a better app. It was about building a robust infrastructure. Expensify needed to handle massive volumes of data, integrate with various accounting systems, and provide top-notch customer support. These investments allowed Expensify to create a product that businesses rely on, a product that has become synonymous with expense management. This journey of fundraising is a testament to the company's ability to attract and retain investor confidence. However, the story doesn't end with funding. Expensify also went public. This means the company has transitioned from being privately funded to being publicly traded. This transition brings in new forms of capital and changes the dynamics of the company's financial structure. The initial public offering, IPO, was a significant event, marking a new chapter for Expensify. By going public, they accessed a wider pool of capital, allowing them to further expand and innovate. This move also provided liquidity for early investors and employees. So, while we can't give you one definitive, constantly updated number for Expensify's total funding due to market fluctuations and the company's public status, it's clear they've secured substantial investment to build a powerful platform. And that investment has paid off, cementing their position as a leader in the expense management space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.